Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into GitHub Packages, manage software packages step by step clearly. To log into GitHub Packages, start by opening your web browser. Go to the GitHub homepage at github.com. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your username or email address and your password. Once logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on your avatar. From the drop-down menu, select your repositories. Now, choose the repository that contains the package you want to manage. On the repository page, look for the Packages section in the sidebar. Click on Packages to view your available packages. To log in via the command line, open your terminal. Use the command echo your _GitHub token docker login ghcr.io your _GitHub username password stin. Replace your _GitHub token with your personal access token. Replace your _GitHub username with your GitHub username. You should see a message indicating a successful login. Now you are ready to manage your software packages. With this login, you can push, pull, and manage packages using GitHub Packages. Make sure your token has the correct scopes for package access. Refer to GitHub's documentation for further details if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.